Welcome back to my kitchen here at home. A nice midweek treat on the menu today. I'm making choc nut cookies. For this I'll be using flour, baking soda, some light brown sugar, chocolate drops, or you could chop up a chocolate block if you preferred, some mixed nuts, butter, vanilla essence and an egg. Into my mixing bowl, 225 grams of butter. And we're going to add it into this. So it's 225 grams of butter, and I've got here, 1.5 cups of light brown sugar. Oops, there we go. I'm going to add in to the bowl a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1 egg, just to bind the cookies together. And we'll get that mixing as well. 2¼ cups of flour. I've got a sieve here. Don't always sieve, but seeing as I've got one, I'll pour it in. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda. In it goes. One for the easy option here. That's 2 cups of chopped chocolate, and I've got a cup of chopped nuts. Use whatever nuts you like. I've made these before with macadamias. Walnuts are nice. It takes about 8–10 minutes in the oven. Really nice, quick, simple recipe. Lots of lovely chocolate drops and nuts in there. We want to make sort of, I don't know, small golf ball size biscuits. So 8–10 minutes in the oven, nice and simple. Just squash them just a fraction, just a little bit, and we will space them out slightly on the baking tray just to give them some room to spread. Nice, easy recipe, this one, anyone can make it. Here they are, my finished choc nut cookies. They smell absolutely delicious, let me tell you. Delicious, yum, chunky cookies. We've got some chopped chocolate and some mixed nuts in there, perfect with a glass of milk or a cuppa. These are really popular in my house. My husband, and my kids can't keep their hands off. I hope you enjoy them at home.